Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a downloadable document to your Wix site so your visitors can easily access PDFs, guides, or resources directly from your web pages in 2026. Let's get into it. First, open the Wix editor and locate the Add Elements menu. The first step is entering your design workspace and finding the right tool to host your file. In 2026, Wix has categorized document downloads under the button and menu sections to make them easier to find. Log into your Wix dashboard and click Edit Site. On the left-hand sidebar, click the plus icon to open the Add Elements panel. Scroll down to Button and choose a style that fits your brand. Drag and drop a text and icon button onto your page where you want the download link to live. This is the visual trigger phase. In 2026, using a button is much more effective than a simple text link. It creates a clear call to action for your users. By selecting a button first, you provide a professional-looking container that will eventually hold the digital file your users are looking for. Next, change the button text to a clear call to action. Before attaching the file, you need to make sure the button tells the user exactly what they are getting. Click on your new button and select Change Text and Icon. The selection, type in a clear instruction like Download Free Guide PDF or Get My 2026 Price List. Clarity is essential for user trust. In 2026, web users are cautious about clicking unknown links. By explicitly stating that the button leads to a download and mentioning the file type, like PDF, you increase the click-through rate and ensure your visitors feel secure interacting with your content. Next, link the button to a document. Now you need to tell the button to act as a gateway to your digital file. This is the most important technical step in the process. Click the link icon, the small chain link, on your button. In the Link To window that pops up, select Document from the list on the left. Click the blue Choose File button to open your Wix Media Manager. This is the connection phase. In 2026, Wix's Link Manager is highly intuitive. By selecting Document, you are telling the browser to handle the file as a download rather than trying to navigate to a new web page. This keeps your users on your site while the file is being delivered to their device. Click Upload Media in the top left, choose Upload from Computer, and select your PDF or doc file. And that's pretty much it. To add a downloadable document in 2026, open the Add Elements menu, drag a button onto your page, and change the text to a clear call to action. Click the link icon, select Document, and upload your file to the Media Manager. Finally, set the link to open in a new window and hit Publish so your visitors can start downloading your resources immediately. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.